Hey, it's Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog, and it is that time of the year again. Are you guys sick and tired of this winter as much as I am? Why don't you come in out of the cold and come see us at our February open house. It's coming up this next weekend, February 17th and 18th. We'll be open 8 to 5 on Saturday and 10 to 3 on Sunday. I like to go to 4, but everybody likes to go at 3. So we're going at 3 this year. This is also the year that we're going to be celebrating our 60th year anniversary in business now. We think it's 60 years. Our revenue revealer number goes back to 1958, so we're calling it at least 60 years, but the guys, Gerald and Walter, might have been selling some marine stuff back before that. 60 years is good enough for us right now. We're going to have a good time. Hey, we even bought some neon palm trees for this event, just to have some fun. You know, of course, it's that time of the year where you come on in out of the cold. We just summer the place up. The guys are setting the showroom right now. If you came in today, this place is just flipped over right now. We're gonna gussy it up. We'll have crock pot foods, which we always love to do this time of the year. There'll be handouts. There's gonna be all kinds of drinks and different things, you know, so make sure you come hungry. We'd love to feed you. There'll be gifts for everybody that comes. You might even have a t-shirt or two hanging around this place for free. So, hey, it's Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog. This is my first pitch at it. We're Tuesday afternoon. By Saturday, we'll have this place ready for a nice summer party. Come down and see us.